First question which we are discussing was that we can see here. The question was we are having five charges B, C, D, E. We can see that this pair of charges, that was B, C and D and D, E. B, C and D, these are what they are doing. They are showing repulsion. B, C and D. We can say that either B will have positive or C will have positive, or B will have negative or C will have negative, because they are showing repulsion. D has positive, then E also will have positive. If D has negative, then E also will have negative. That means they both will have same charge. One conclusion we can take from this this statement, that this pair of charges are showing repulsion. Got it? Second, this pair of charges, they are showing attraction. What we can say from here? AB, CE and AE. These are having attraction. That means if they are positive, other will be negative. If it is negative, then it will be positive. By using this concept, you have to solve this question and find which of the charge is possible on A. And I think this is homework for all my dear students, and I will ask the answer from you all in the next class. I think tomorrow only. So I think you have to take a screenshot of this question. I will ask what you have got answer, what charges you have got on A. Please try this with from your side at home. Okay, will you try, or I solve this question? Will try, or I solve this question? Anyone having that spirit? Okay. One reply. Let me check. Very good. Few students are very much interactive. I'm very much impressed with you. You should interact. I'm getting very much happy that you are very much interactive students. Now, second question. Let me discuss here second question. It is telling that this example, this question we have solved earlier. Which is the sure check? We have seen that repulsion was the sure check. I have discussed earlier also. We have seen that repulsion was the surest check, because I have discussed with you that uncharged object also get attracted. But between two objects having charges, then only they can repel with each other. We have seen earlier also. We have seen that example of comb and piece of paper. I have shown you that uncharged paper get attracted with the comb, but repulsion is only possible if both of the object has charges, maybe same positive or negative, both of them are having. So we say that surest check is repulsion. Answer will be repulsion. Okay. Third question we can discuss here. Third question is that how will you give equal and opposite charge on two identical metal, that is two identical metal on an insulated stand like this? You can use charge rod. We are having one charge rod also. Let us take positive charge, but touching of the rod is not allowed. Okay, the question is telling that touching is not allowed. That means induction method, touching is not allowed. It is telling that with the help of this rod having positive charge, without touching it with the balls, how will you generate the charges on these balls? And there's also one condition, that the charges developed should be equal and opposite. That means one object has charge positive induced and other has charge negative, and we know that if we will induce them separately, both of them will get negative charge, that we know. So how we will induce charge? Let me take one example and I show you. Now what we will do, we take this charge of this uncharged object here like this, and we take another uncharged object just like this and with slightly touching together. Dear friends, remember both are identical, just I have drawn by mistakenly, it is showing big, but both are identical. Okay, now when we are bringing this charged rod here, let us take positive charge. What will happen? It will induce charge here that will attract electrons to its side and repel positive charge, and the positive charge will go here. Why? Because positive charge from here will jump to this side and it will go to maximum distance from this, and maximum distance will be from here to other end here, and the positive charge will go here. If now if we separate these two of these balls, what we will get? We will get the two equal and opposite charges like this, and this was the question. Okay, any problem till now? Any problem till now? Now, what we were discussing, remember, we were talking about earlier, we were talking about properties only. This was just question for your practice. We were talking about practice. We were discussing about properties of charges. First properties we have discussed, that was additive property. You remember? After that, just few questions came. Now, let us go to the properties of charges. Anyone has any problem till now? Can anyone tell me? Anyone has any problem till now? Can anyone tell me any problem till now?